one more time. Welcome back to SBK Loco. Today we have a very chilling, beautiful bachata combination. It's very simple, kind of. It's kind of simple, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna start off with the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now from here, we're gonna do a reverse turn. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 4, you want to have pressure on the shoulder. And now we're gonna go for a head roll, stepping to the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leaders, usually you can just step across and let the girl look pretty. But you know, I like to dance as well. I'm gonna do a little bit of a kind of body wave, small body wave, coming close and collecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So as you see, I went and put the hand on my right shoulder. Now I'm gonna slide down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leaders, you don't necessarily have to prep her body on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's gonna help you out a lot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now I'm gonna reconnect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna go for a double turn. Her and me. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. This turn right here, I'm gonna give you a very, very good tip for it. I'm gonna basically hold my back against hers until I really know she's gonna follow me. So sometimes when you're here, the follower will just look at you and wondering what you're doing, and you're gonna be stuck here. So what I like to do is put my back on hers until I know that she's gonna come with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. I also have happened to me many times in social after doing this turn. The follower is not on the right foot. Maybe she tapped on the wrong foot, but I'm just gonna do my basic back this way and hopefully she catches it. So don't worry about that. Sometimes the follower or the leader is not on the right foot. It happens. Okay, ready? We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So leaders, I'm just going to be parallel to her body, okay? Depending on how close you want to be, it's kind of up to you. But the back, I'm just kind of giving her an indication here. I'm not going too low to the booty. I'm staying kind of mid-back. All right, let's do this wave from the side. And I'm just going to stay here. The first part, body is going to come in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and collect the follower. Very important to prep her for the outside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Papa chaka chaka chaka. Chaka 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 chaka. Ba ba ba.
Hola, bebé.
Okay, music time. Oh my God,
Me
it's so
estoy
hot.
preparando
Thank you so
pa'
much.
ponerme
It's
a
hot.
tu nivel. Se hace tarde. Estás esperando, dale, tócame. Sin la luz se ve ya lo que sabes hacer. Quiero más view una vez. Todas las poses vamos a hacerla por 10. Ok, te preparé la playlist para darte toda la nighty. Cuando te canto sexy, sé que te pones así. Me quito el tiro bajo, volvimos pa' los 90s. Me evito que te lo dejen tan fácil. Nunca empieza la